All right, so let's talk about what is going on in crypto. Talk about the latest crypto news, why crypto is down today. Got a couple of key things to share with you. Overall, what is happening? Okay, so we are down right now 3.73%, have continued this slide. We've been sliding now for 24, 36 plus hours, all in lead up to the event that's happening today. I'm going to tell you about that here in just a minute, but we've got a couple other things moving. We've seen Bitcoin slide below 60,000, and right now, as of the recording, currently trading at 57,008. And on the 24-hour spectrum, you can see that Bitcoin has been as low as 56,555. So it has slipped below that 57,000. We've got this going on, and volume is definitely moving up. Look, 45+%. We got a lot of money leaving the building, if you will, the proverbial building. Excuse me. Okay. So kind of continuing on, everything else is down in red. You can see Ethereum's down, Solana down, Dogecoin down 6, Toncoin down 7, SHIB down 4, everything moving down except for some outliers. We got Polkadot, Tron moving up. Interesting. I have to look at that. What's going on with that? Because they are definitely going against the tide. So here is really what's happening. We've had long positions. So these are long. These are people that were betting, that were long that the price would go up. Have lost $400 million in a 24-hour bloodbath. I mean, that is a lot of money that is just gone away for those folks. Look at this. This was liquidated 137,000 more traders for $464 million. That is nuts. Wow. Okay. So these were the majority of it were 400 million of it was basically from bullish traders with long positions. So, wow. Okay. So crazy news there. Obviously, what we've got going on today is we have the Federal Reserve decision today. We have Chairman Powell going to be doing his thing, right? Wall Street is waiting for Powell right there. So we've got that going on. The overall stock market as of the recording of this video. Make sure you guys can see this on the right. Yes, you can. The Dow futures, the S&P, NASDAQ futures are down, but not down dramatically. Here's what's really happening. We don't really know, right? We were rolling into 2024 expecting possibly 3 or 4 rate decreases. And now with all of the turmoil on the street and the inflation reports coming in hotter than expected, all these different kind of things, we could possibly see him moving basically going and initiating a rate increase, right? And so this really is what's impacting the crypto market right now. The Fed decision, which we will get after lunch today, East Coast Standard Time, usually comes around 1:30 East Coast time. So we'll get that today. But that's really what's impacting crypto right now is that decision. Is like, what is he going to do? What's going to happen? We really don't know. We've got major, blood in the streets, if you will. We've got continued, continued pressure moving everything down. And I think that we'll continue to see this. To give you some perspective, like, look at this. This is a chart here for Bitcoin, right? And this is looks pretty red and bleak, doesn't it? Now this is what wiped out all his long positions. I mean, you can see, like, just from right here to there, we're down 10%, which it looks a lot worse than it is, but a 10% move down in the last 5 days for Bitcoin alone. By the way, that is my software, my trading indicator, giving you notices of when to buy and when to sell. So if you're interested in that, links in the description below. If you want to pick up X1 Algo, it's a 30-day money back refund, and there's a discount code down there. You can get the software for $1 a day, and it gives you insight knowing when to buy and when to sell. I mean, like, look, this is Dogecoin. This is Shiba. It's just said, hey, it's time to sell. Pretty much across the board, pretty much be out of any crypto from a short midterm play. I'm not talking about long-term bags. Like, if you bought a big bag and you're just waiting to hold it and you want that return that's going to come in the next year, 2 years, things like that. So links in the description below if you want to pick that up. But, bottom line, guys, we are waiting. Today is the big day. So this is pretty big crypto news from the standpoint of when and what is going to happen. There's a lot of uncertainty around this one. Usually we roll into these these Federal Reserve decisions, and we kind of know. Today we really don't. I think that's what's really got everybody spooked, and that's why you've seen, quite frankly, billions leave the crypto market in the last week or so, right? Okay, so and look at, and again, that just is a huge number. 400 million is basically lost in long positions. That's crazy. Okay. Look at this, 168 million just occurred in the last 4 hours as of the writing of that article. Wow. Okay. Um, there's another link down there to Margex. Check them out. It's a referral link. If you use it, you get a 20% referral deposit bonus. So whatever you deposit, they're going to give you 20% on top of that to help you cover fees. But then once you get in, this is inside of my account. You see this copy trading at the top. You can basically come in here and copy trade like this. This one right here, Leader, is 1,000+%. Now what they do is they trade in individual coins like Copy Trader. Leader here. In Copy Trader does Bitcoin. Okay. And so you can follow them, and all you do is click follow. You say, here's how much Bitcoin I want to put up, 1,000, 2,000, or whatever it is. And then you just basically push the button and it's done. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to execute the trades. The system does it automatically for you and banks your profit for you. Look, that one is getting 1,056% ROE. Wow. Okay. Little Trade is doing 1,744. These are some proven, like Ola Bitcoin, 664%. These guys are doing really, 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 really well. And that's something you can do in kind of in the short term is do this copy trading, or midterm. I mean, this is a great way to kind of navigate these murky waters we're in right now. So links in the description below to Margex. Pick that up and give it a try. And you can see the returns are doing very, very, very well. So check that out. All right. That's what I got for you right now. I'll see you. I'll be here all day. Take care. Bye.